So for the next few weeks, we're going to be looking at AR verbs. So let's do a quick review on some that we've seen before. Bailar, to dance. Hablar, to speak or to talk. Cantar, to sing. Nadar, to swim. Textear, to text. Montar, to ride. So you could use this with montar en bicicleta, montar en monopatín. See? Tocar can actually mean two different things. It can mean to touch, like it's one of our class rules, no tocar, to not touch other people or other people's stuff. But we can also use it with playing instruments, like tocar la guitarra. So it's used with both of those. Practicar, with practicing sports or practicing instruments as well, see? Dibujar means to draw. Pintar means to paint. So they both have to do with art or la clase de arte, but one means to draw and one means to paint. Estudiar, to study. Usar means to use, so you could use this along with la computadora, like usar la computadora, or any other materials in school or other places. Trabajar, to work. Esquiar, to ski. So we're going to be learning a few new words this week to help us understand some of the stories that we're going to be working with and be able to say a little more. So saltar means to jump. Saltar, jump. Pegar means to hit. Pegar, hit. Besar means to kiss. Sometimes you'll hear people use the expression bésame, kiss me. This shows up in a lot of songs or romantic movies in Español. So, besar, to kiss. Llorar, to cry. So we've seen this word before with La Llorona when we were talking about the weeping woman that tries to grab children. So llorar has that root word of cry or weep. Llorar, cry. Gritar means to shout or yell. Gritar. So we'll use this a lot when characters in stories are yelling or shouting rather than just saying a specific line. Caminar means to walk. Caminar, walk. Abrazar means to hug. And you'll notice it has this bras, kind of like brazos. So when you give somebody a hug, you wrap your brazos around them. And that's kind of why it has that root, bras, abrazar, hug. Sacar means to take out. So I use this sometimes in class when I say saca un lápiz or saca una pluma. But you could also use it with sacar fotos, to take photos, or sacar selfies if you're taking selfies, see? So it means to take or to take out. Sacar. Necesitar, this means to need. So you could use this with people. I could say like, oh, te necesito, I need you. Or you could say, necesito una mochila para la escuela. So we've been using this to talk about materials that we need in school. Necesitar. Entrar means to enter. You'll notice it looks very similar to enter. So that one's going to be kind of easy to figure out. Entrar. All right, muy bien. Look forward to using these words in a lot of activities and games and assignments over the next couple of weeks. Adios.